Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to upload your own logo or change logo to your AiHouse page. Okay, so you need to go to the login page. Okay, this is your login page, and then you click on your avatar or your icon up here. Okay, and then you click on settings. Click on settings, and it will redirect you to a new page under basic management page, where you can manage the settings for your account under this page. Okay, and then you click on logo setting. So under logo setting, we have few category. We have a store logo, we have renderings logo, we have drawing logo, and also panorama logo. So you need to make sure, or you need to select to a correct category whenever you want to change a logo. Let's say you want to change from renderings logo, so you need to change under renderings logo category. Okay, so to upload a logo, for this store logo, you can upload your company logo where it will display on your home page. Okay, and make sure you follow the requirement. Well, the file format need to be in this format, and also the size. Okay, and if you change your renderings logo, okay, you can click on upload on here. Okay, and then you can upload your logo. So to turn on or to get this logo under renderings, so after you render your picture, you need to click on beautify image or beautification. Okay, so to enable the logo or watermark, you need to click on here, this watermark icon. You click on watermark icon, and then you turn it on. Okay, so you will have your logo over here. Okay, and you can adjust the settings where you want to place your logo. Okay, and then you can adjust the transparency. Okay, and then you can also adjust the angle. Okay, and then you click save and download. So that is for the renderings logo. And for drawing logo, when you upload here, so the drawing logo that you upload will automatically have under your drawing. So whenever you import your drawing, so it will have your logo over here. On the top of the page, it will have this logo. And also panorama, when you upload your panorama logo, okay, when you click on the link for panorama, VR panorama, so it will automatically have this panorama logo. You can always change the logo here, and make sure you follow the format. And after you change your logo, you need to refresh your page. You need to refresh your page in order to get a logo, because sometimes when after you upload, AI cannot automatically detect the changes. So you need to refresh the page, and you can find your logo will be uploaded following the category lah. Okay, so that is all. Thanks for watching. Happy trying. Bye bye.